Hey, what's up y'all? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook and Juice cooking channel, I would like to wish you and your family a happy new year. I hope you all are enjoying yourselves, spending time with your families, outside popping fireworks, what have you. As for me, I'm just chilling. Gotta go to work, you know. Yeah, I gotta work on New Year's Day. I always work on New Year's Day anyways. But as for New Year's Eve, I didn't do nothing. I just chilled. As far as cooking, I didn't do too much cooking. Only thing I had was some black eyed peas and some cornbread. I'm gonna show you a little plate of that in just a second. But yeah, that's all what I did because I already had Thanksgiving, Christmas, now New Year's. So, and actually the black eyed peas is actually from the video that I had made about a week ago. I just took my black eyed peas, put them in the freezer. Then when it came time for New Year's, just took them out, let them thaw out, and bam, there you go. I didn't do no cooking. The only thing I did was, the only thing I had to do was bake my cornbread, and that is it. 2017 was a great year for me, both personally and professionally. As far as the YouTube channel goes, this is actually my most successful year for my YouTube channel. But just like all the other years in the past, with each and every passing year, my channel did better and better and better and better with each and every passing year. And I also did a couple of upgrades, my computer system, new camera system, plus the website. So I did quite a bit. Plus I recorded 40 new videos. That's 40 recipes. Plus I did about 12 other videos. That's including the Thanksgiving and Christmas and all those other dinners, plus the review videos. And that's basically it. But overall, 2017 was a wonderful year. I couldn't ask for a better year. What to expect in 2018? Well, there are a few things to expect. One of the things is I want to improve a little bit more as far as my my videos, especially at the end. I want to improve them a little bit more, especially to kind of promote my website, which is it's doing fine. It's getting enough traffic and everything, but just to promote it a little bit more. And that's basically it. Overall, I like the way I edit and record my videos. So yeah, I'm not gonna really change much, but just at the end I just want to change that. Also, my past videos, especially from 2013, even all the way up to this year, I have to admit that I've made some mistakes on my videos, and I want to improve on that. Especially my videos in 2013. I think my first video, I don't think I even added the amounts in the video. I was like, you add this, you add that, you know, and people watch the video like, wait, what to add? I don't know, you know. So I definitely want to, I'm going to be doing some video remakes from the past, just to improve on those videos. I don't know how many videos that I'm going to, how many recipes I'm going to remake, but it's going to be several videos, I have to admit. Also expect some new recipes as well, so be looking forward to that. Like I said, I released more videos this year than what I did in all my other previous years. And also you're going to be looking forward to new video reviews. You know how we did the product reviews for the air fryer and the knife and all that other good stuff. Well, next year we're going to be doing some more video reviews, and I actually think I have 2 videos that I have to do so far for 2018, so I'm very excited about that. Now, as you all may not know, next year I will be on YouTube for 5 years. That's right, been on YouTube for 5 years. Now I know some of you are just finding me, and yeah, I've been on YouTube for quite a while, but next year I'm going to be celebrating 5 years on YouTube, and got a couple of things that I'm going to do with that. So when that time comes, I'll make the announcement on it, or I'll release a little video or 2 or something on it, and that's basically it. But like I said, I've come a long way within these 5 years. I have to admit, you know, it just wasn't easy. But overall, I'm glad I stayed. I'm glad I'm still here doing videos for you. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all had a fantastic holiday season. That includes Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Hope you had to spend some time with your families, etc. You know, as far as 2017, y'all, as we all know, it was one crazy and hectic year, but that was 2017. Now that it's 2018, let's start and finish this year off on a good note. Nothing but love, peace, happiness, positivity. I mean, let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. Now, I also want to let you know at the very end of the video that I'm going to have a little picture of my plate of my my black eyed peas and my cornbread, you know. And I want to take this time to thank you all for watching this video, and I also want to send a special thank you out to all 40 plus of my subscribers. Thank you all so much. I wouldn't be doing this video in 2018 if it wasn't for you all, so thank you all so much, and happy 2018. Here is my black eyed peas. I have my D&D smoked sausage and smoked ham in there. And here's my cast iron skillet cornbread. And this is how it looks on the inside. Thanks for watching.